This is the story of Robert J. McClanahand. Robert was born on May 4th, 1826, in Tennessee. He was the second of three children born to Alexander and Leanna Taylor McClanahand. His father was also born in Tennessee, while his mother was born in Alabama. Around the age of 17, Robert married Eliza Todd in Tennessee. They would have at least three children together: Sarah, William, and Thomas. By the time his second child, William, was born, the family had moved from Tennessee to Berry County, Missouri, and they had started a farm. Within the next 5 years, Eliza would pass away. Her burial details are unknown. Robert would then marry Louisa Foster. They would have at least 6 children together, 4 sons and 2 daughters. Their names were Adam or Frank, Mary, Robert, James, and twins Louisa or Lou and Madison. Robert and Louisa would lose 2 of their children at young ages. One of their twins, a boy named Madison, passed away at only 7 months old. They would lose another son, James, when he was only 9. They are both buried here in Fairview Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri. Robert and Louisa moved their family to several different places, including Madison County, Arkansas, and Dent County, Missouri. In 1880, when Robert was in his 50s, they settled down on a farm in Douglas County, Missouri, around the area of Clinton. In 1895, Robert's wife Louisa passed away at the age of 65. She was buried here in Fairview Cemetery next to her babies. Here's a little side story about 2 of Robert's children. One was the twin sister to Madison, Louisa or Lou, and his oldest son, Frank. Frank and Lou both never married, and they lived together for most of their lives. Frank eventually adopted a young boy named John Rackley, and later in 1907, Lou adopted a daughter named Sadie Kennedy. After Robert's wife Louisa passed away, he stayed in the Clinton area and moved in with Frank and Lou. The 1900 census also showed 14-year-old John Rackley living with them, and he is listed as a boarder working as a farmhand for Frank. Sometime after Robert passed away, Frank and Lou picked up and moved from Douglas County, Missouri to Douglas County, Oregon. Frank passed away around the age of 80 and is buried in Oregon. Lou lived to be 72, but it says she died while she was a patient at the Oregon State Mental Hospital. Her Find a Grave page stated she was cremated, and her remains were placed in a copper canister and left on a hospital shelf with other patient remains. 61 years after she passed away, her great-great-grandniece claimed her ashes and scattered them on the family's burial plot in Oregon. Robert passed away on April 6, 1901, at the age of 74. Robert was buried in Fairview Cemetery next to his wife and their children. His headstone has a handshake carved at the top, signifying the living saying goodbye to their departed loved one. While his stone says he was 84 years, 11 months, and 2 days old when he died, family members point out on his page his birth year on his stone is incorrect. According to census records, his birth year was around 1826. It was also noted that some of his sons changed the spelling of their last name to McClanahand. My family tree research showed that my husband is related to Robert. He is his 4th cousin, 5 times removed. Thank you so much for watching and keeping these stories alive. Rest in peace, Robert.